What's up guys, welcome to my channel Think Different. Today I'm really very excited because I'm gonna unbox the world's cheapest drone. Yeah, you heard it right, it's the world's cheapest drone which is right over here. I ordered it from banggood.com and I'm really very excited to unbox it. So now let's unbox it with the blade and see what we're getting inside. Okay, so it looks pretty good. It's packed in a sort of styrofoam or thermocol type sheet. It's wrapped in sellotape. It's too hard, but I'm doing it. Oh yes, this presenting the world's cheapest drone. Okay, so this is the JJRC drone. It's written age 14 plus. I think you can see it over the camera. It contains the features written over here. Click in battery, then it's screw free structure, 6-axis gyro, 360 flips and rolls, etc., which enables the drone to flip it in the air. So without wasting any more time, let us open it. It contains with a rechargeable battery also. Let's see what we're getting inside the box. I'm so excited. The packing is really good. Oh my god, this is the JJRC mini drone. Just look at it. It looks awesome, just awesome. In one word, it looks awesome. And there is also the controller with it. The packing is also very good. So this is the controller for the drone. One more feature about this drone which I forgot to tell you, that this drone can be charged directly with the controller. Oh, we are also getting 4 extra sets of propellers for the drone, so that if we damage one of the propellers, we can replace it. So that's a good feature. And what else? This is, I guess, the instruction manual, where you can read all that is needed for operating the drone. Blah blah blah. Okay, we'll check it out later on. And this is, I think, some essential features of the drone, and how to fly it and how to play it. You can even register on some sort of account. I don't know. So now let us see what happens when we plug the drone with the battery. Here is the battery. I think you can see it. I think it's openable. Let me try to open it once. Okay, it feels a bit tricky. Okay, so this is the mini battery of JJRC. It's 100 milliampere, which is not that bad. Let's plug it inside again. I don't want to mess with it. And now let's put it inside and see what happens. Okay, I can see some green lights flashing. So now the drone is ready to fly. It also needs 4 AA batteries. So let me bring that. So guys, now I've bought the batteries. So let's put it on. These are 4 AA size batteries. The remote build quality is also not that bad. It's quite good. Attaching it. Okay, but before flying this drone or quadcopter, whatever you say, I would like to compare its size. So this is a professional drone camera, or rather a sports camera, you can see. So I'm placing it beside it so you can compare its size with it. I'm opening the camera, you can see it better, I think. Okay, I'm opening the waterproof case. Obviously this camera will not be able to be lifted by this drone, but still this drone is a good choice for the few rupees. That is, I bought it for rupees 750, that is quite less. So now let's test it flight. I'm attaching the battery with the drone. You can see, I hope in the camera you can see a green flashing light down over there, and the front also. Now let's switch on the transmitter. I hope you can see the red light. Now let's see how it flies. Just wait a minute. Yeah, it's paired. Oops. Okay, let's fly once more.